Hello everyone, and welcome back to the healthy side of YouTube. Today, we'll be talking about pillows. We'll teach you how to tell if your pillow needs changing, and we'll also show you the easiest and best pillow cleaning tricks. How often do you clean your pillows? We use our pillows for an average of 8 hours per night. A pillow is essentially a sponge. While we sleep, our pillows absorb our sweat, dead skin cells, dust and dirt from our bodies and the room, as well as bacteria and various allergens. So if you want to get a good night's sleep, you definitely don't want your pillows to be dirty. Experts recommend that you wash your pillows at least 3 times per year and replace them with new ones every 3 years. Here's a quick and easy test to help determine whether your pillows need changing. Pick up your pillow and fold it over. If it refuses to unfold on its own, then it is time to get a new one. How to clean a pillow. When it comes to cleaning your pillows, firstly you need to determine what they're made from. This will help you choose the correct washing methods and ensure you don't accidentally damage your pillows. As a general rule of thumb, polyester pillows and feather pillows can be washed together. Memory foam and silk pillows will need to be washed separately. When washing your pillows, you want to use a gentle, preferably scent-free detergent. If your detergent has a strong scent, it might make the first few nights of sleep uncomfortable. Before putting your pillows in the washing machine, you want to squeeze all the air out of them. Not only will this make them take up less space, but it will also make the entire procedure that much more effective. Using warm water, run your pillow through one wash and spin cycle, getting as much moisture out as possible. The tennis ball trick. Here's a little trick that will help you remove any leftover moisture from your pillows. Once you take your pillows out of the washing machine, grab 2 tennis balls and a sock, put the tennis balls inside the sock, tie the end and place it in the washing machine, along with the pillows, and run them through a drying cycle, a long cycle at a low heat setting. Tackling stubborn odors. For dealing with the smell of mold and mildew, you should use vinegar. For any other odors, baking soda will do the trick. If you found this video useful and interesting, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you've got some clever pillow cleaning methods of your own, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.